Hey, hi, my name is Srikanth. Welcome to Yeduru's vlogs. Today I just ordered Gopro. I think this is going to my first video, which I'm taking it from my mobile. So going forward, I'll be taking all my videos from GoPro 8 Black. It's an action camera. Packing was very good. They were sealed in two carton boxes. This is the bigger one. So I think I'll be getting all the gadgets in this. I ordered the bundled one. Let me open. At this. Yes, you can see special bundle one where I'll be getting the strap and extra battery and also one holder. I think I'm really excited to open. Let me open and show you, and you can see GoPro Hero 8 Black 12 megapixel 4K 60p, and even I can do the videos in the water up to 10 meters. Showing okay, everything is good. Let me open it. Let me open the camera. Thing. This passport program powered by Telopia.com. Register ID. Okay, let me see this letter. I'm not sure what it is. Look at the camera here, looking so good, gorgeous. Even the material is so soft actually. It's entirely premium quality. Let's see what we will get inside the box. Color storage of device, I'm not sure whatever what it is. I'll read it later. And showing some apps. Five questions. I think it's showing how to open it exactly from the box. And I think it's some documentation. And I got the 1-year warranty card, which I think this should be mandatory. Creative peripherals. I think this is from distributor warranty. And the manual, I'll read it later. Okay, let me. And I got SD card, micro SD card. It is 32 GB. I got it. And cable. Then these for to stick it to the helmet. And I got extra battery. I think I got 2 batteries. You can see. If you order bundle one, you will be getting 2 batteries. Okay, and let me keep it aside so that I got the strap. This is to hold on your head. I think it's good. Yeah, it's really good. Complete is a premium quality which I ordered. And I got one holder. Yeah, this is good. It's a GoPro one, but I bought the different one for my phone. And that quality is good when compared to this. This is lightweight material, but I'm not sure how durability it is. Okay, let me open the GoPro now. Not sure how the people are opening it. I think I should open this. Okay, first you have to remove this and hold it and push it back. Got it. And let me remove this one. Okay, came out. I think maybe I can use it for only packing. I think this fruit will be helpful for me. It's really good. So I installed the battery, everything. So I'm just doing the settings, English, and agree on. Okay, install the GoPro app your phone to finish the setup. I think this one I should do it later. Okay, to check the video clarity, how it is performing. I think I have set up in my mobile, and also I have done some settings, and it updated automatically through my mobile. So after that, automatically they give some set of settings. One is standard, cinematic. You can see the clarity, how it is. It looks so good. I think it is still I haven't done many videos. Maybe going forward I'll be taking a few videos. Let's see. So please support my channel, and do subscribe and give a like. And this is my first video. I'll be doing a lot of videos. Stay tuned to my channel. Thank you very much.